This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay for videos or GIF files in the BlueSky app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the BlueSky app. To enable or disable autoplay for videos or GIF files, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper left hand corner to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. On this screen you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Content and Media. Tap on Content and Media. Then right in here, autoplay videos and GIF files. By default, that is toggled on. If you toggle it off, now autoplay is disabled. If you toggle it on, autoplay is enabled. That is how to enable or disable autoplay for videos or GIF files on the BlueSky app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.